Hello friends, a gulf is a portion of the sea surrounded mostly by land, and a gulf has a narrow mouth. Some important gulfs of the world are as follows. The Gulf of Mexico is the largest gulf of the world. It is bordered by USA, Mexico and Cuba. The Gulf of Bothnia is bordered by Sweden on the west and Finland on the east. Gulf of Finland is surrounded by Finland in the north, Russia in the east and Estonia in the south. Gulf of Carpentaria is surrounded by Australia in the south, east and west. Arafura Sea lies to the north of this gulf. Gulf of Riga lies between Estonia and Latvia.